If your calendar looks like a game of Tetris every Monday, and meeting prep eats up your entire afternoon, Microsoft just introduced a new Copilot agent that can handle both. Not just answering questions, actually doing the work for you. Automatically, with your approval before anything changes. It's called Cowork. Today I'm showing you exactly how. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. Regular Copilot answers questions. This new Cowork agent actually executes tasks. You describe the outcome, and it handles the steps. It can draft emails, organize meetings, and build documents, all based on your Microsoft 365 data like Outlook, Teams, and your files. And before anything changes, it pauses and asks for your approval. You stay fully in control. To get started, open Microsoft 365 Copilot in your browser. In the left panel, click All Agents, search for Cowork, and click Add. That's it. Quick note, your IT admin may need to enable preview or frontier features for this to appear. If you don't see it, drop a comment. I'll help you troubleshoot. Let's start with calendar cleanup. Here's the exact prompt I used. Clean up my calendar this week. I want at least 2 hours of focus time protected each day. Cowork scans your Outlook schedule, understands what you're trying to prioritize, and flags conflicts and low-value meetings. It's using your real calendar. Here's the key part. It shows you a step-by-step plan and suggests what to reschedule or decline, then waits for your approval. You review it, you approve it, and it updates your calendar in seconds. What used to take 20 minutes of manual reshuffling, done in under a minute. Calendar handled. Now let's talk about the real-time killer, meeting prep. Before a client meeting, you're usually digging through emails, searching files, and building a deck from scratch. That's easily an hour or more. Here's the prompt. Build a meeting packet for my call with a client on Thursday. Pull relevant emails, files, and background info. Cowork searches across your Outlook, Teams, and OneDrive to gather everything related to that client. Then it creates a full meeting package, a briefing document, a draft presentation, all saved in Microsoft 365, so your team can collaborate. So you walk into the meeting with everything ready. A deck, a briefing, and even a draft follow-up email. Pro tip, drag in a specific file, like a proposal or contract, and Cowork will incorporate it directly. No copy-paste needed. Calendar cleanup, meeting prep, both handled with a single sentence each. What used to take hours now happens in the background, while you focus on work that actually needs you. That's the shift, from AI that helps to AI that actually works for you. In the next video, I'll show you how Cowork can research a company and build a full launch plan, start to finish. Subscribe so you don't miss it. No fluff, just what actually helps you get more done.